Hey, this is Joel with Bodyworks in Mesa, Arizona. Now we're going to show you how to use this foam roller on your IT bands. That's the outer thigh. Okay, so the side that's on the ground, that's the side that we're gonna roll today. We're gonna be in a position called a side plank. If you have any shoulder issues, wrist issues, elbow issues, try not to do this without consulting your doctor, of course. And this is how it works. So, back leg. We're gonna place your foot behind your straight leg. Lift your body up. Heel off the ground. Foot off the ground. We're just rolling on your side to add more pressure. Both legs. Take less pressure off. One leg. Move all the way up into the hip. Whew. And when you find a spot that's sore, rest on it. Wait till that soreness goes away. It should take about 60 seconds to 2 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions. Keep up the good work on foam rolling. Whew.